Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to another great tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can crop out a background from one of your pictures. Now this is a really cool use case utility that you'd want to have in case maybe you wanted to create some sort of a postcard or maybe embed the picture in one of your websites. Whatever the situation may be, I think you'll find this rather useful. And if you maybe wanted to create a custom sticker, then this is definitely the video for you. So stay tuned and let's jump straight into it. So I've got my picture inside of my desktop, and what we're gonna do is go to a website called Remove Background. Right? I'm gonna search that on YouTube, and the first website is called Remove BG, which is short for background. We're gonna click on that, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove the background from your images. There you have it. There you have it. I don't think you'd necessarily need to log in. The thing is, though, the catch to this is that I think you're limited to about 3 images before you need to get on one of their pricing packages. And if that's something that you'd be frequently using, then you can have a look at these plans over here. Oh, you're given 1 free credit, 50 free previews. Their subscription starts from 200 credits at $39. The first option is 40 credits at $9. So if this is something that you use on a regular basis, then I think it can work for you. But let's just jump straight into it and see how this tool works. I'm gonna select my image that I'd like to use. I'm gonna upload it onto the website, and the AI is just gonna work its magic. And there you have it. There you have it. And you can be able to download this in HD, or you can download the preview. But as you can see there, it's really done a great job of cropping out a majority of the background, especially with the glasses. I like that it's kept that detail, so it's really gone into this image. You can also be able to add your design, create your own free design in the background, but I think you might need to log in. Oh, it sends it straight to Canva. That's pretty cool. Transferring to Canva. And I think that's a really cool integration that they have with Canva, because then it at least allows you to have some sort of customizable features, you know. So for instance, like I said, if you wanted to create a custom sticker that you might want to be using on WhatsApp or a GIF or anything of that nature, then that's definitely going to be a useful tool in your toolbox, right? I'm zooming in here, but I'm not going to really play around with that a lot. I'm just going to download this HD. And yeah, let's just try and log in. I believe I do have an account, but let's just try and log in quickly and see if the results are in high resolution and what we can be able to use this image for. Now, for an example, I'll show you on my website. Let's say continue with Google. On my personal website, I have an image that I've cropped around, but I've noticed that there's a little bit of the blue missing out of that crop. And but for the far majority of things, I think this does a really wonderful job at cropping out the background. And I'm going to log in here with my account. And I believe that should take us back where I can download that. Oh, I've got no more credits left, so unfortunately that is what it is. But in an instance where you're trying this out for the first time, I definitely think this will work for you. So test it out. Let me know what you think. And this is where I will be able to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for the next tutorials coming up. If you're finding this information very valuable for you, then please do share it with someone who you think might be able to need this. Or like or drop a comment and let me know what you guys would like to see next. But until the next tutorial, I wish you guys farewell, and don't forget to keep making progress.